Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be doing passion twists, and as you can see I have parted my hair down. This is a simpler method to doing your passion twist. So this is the hairpiece that I'm going to be using. So this video is very self-explanatory. So basically what I'm doing is trying to drag it into two. This is to make it shorter because I want to do a shoulder length. I don't want it long. So basically guys, the aim of braiding it halfway, that's your hair, or parting it down, is so you can get a neater finish since you're going to be doing it yourself or even for someone else. So we're just going to go ahead and braid it because it's not everyone that knows how to do the rubber band method or the crochet method. So simple, just braid it. Braid the hair, simple. Okay, so there's literally nothing for me to say anymore because you just go ahead and braid it. And if you don't know how to, you can get somebody to do it for you. So guys, I have really been off for a while, but I'm back and I'm better to make a lot of quality videos for you. So if you've not subscribed, make sure to definitely subscribe for DIYs, for hair, makeup, everything beauty. And also if you have suggestions, you can definitely leave it in the comments section. Alright, so guys, I was thinking of having or starting something really new and really special. I was thinking that I should start doing a special shout out for my loyal subscribers. By the way, I love y'all so much. So if you definitely would love that, it should just be a special shout out, whatever you want to. If it's your business you want to promote, whatever it is you want to promote, to just help my subscribers get to a larger audience of whatever message that you want to pass across to anybody. So even if it's your business, if it's anything at all that you want to, I'll definitely start it from the next video, but I'll pick it randomly from the comment section. So you can comment below, you comment boss, BOSS, and I'll definitely pick it out randomly. Okay, so basically what I'm doing after braiding it, I'm just twisting it, but not actually twisting it. I'm just placing it on top of each other is it to the left? Yeah, I think it's to the left. I think it should be to the left. I don't even know my left and right anymore, but just basically placing it on, not actually twisting. That's just the trick to get it to be bouncy. Oh, and yeah, I forgot to tell y'all this. Make sure to fluff it out. You can see that when I bring it just the hairpiece is kind of curly, so you just fluff it and make it a bit rough, you get. Okay, so guys, I'm doing the front. I had to leave the back and start doing the front so that y'all can see clearly. So I was actually thinking yesterday, because yesterday I actually shaped my brows, but I was already done before I realized that wait, I could have filmed this and show people how I shape my, because they were so perfect. People were even asking me did I draw it, and it was so nice, but it was already too late. So if you definitely want to see a video like that, you can definitely leave it in the comment section below. And when my eyebrow grows, I'll definitely film when I'm shaping it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
Feel so lucky.